Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's class. Let's cover the ultimate Forex profit hack. Are you ready? Would you like to learn how to discover the ultimate Forex profit hack? I know a lot of you on today's class probably are traders already, and maybe you failed in the past, you've blown a couple of accounts, or you are new and you just desire to start on the right foot, or you're just starting in the market. So you already have an idea of what currency trading is all about, what forex trading is all about, and you know that it is possible to make losses in this market. But there are people who are making money in the market. What are they doing differently? Okay, so come with me in today's class. My name is Gbemi, by the way, and I'm going to be your host on class today. In this class, I'll teach you 3 secrets to earning consistent profits in currency trading. So I would like you to, at this point, to pause this video if you need to, get your pen and paper handy, and please do away with all distraction. I'll be making some points that you need to jot down that you may not see on the slide as I scroll through them. Okay, so it is very important that you jot out the very key points that I'm going to be teaching you today, because I assure you at the end of this class, what you will learn is good enough to help you go on to achieve success with your trading business, especially if you have been trading before and you've been losing money consistently. Uh, I have a Facebook private group where I share different trading tips regularly. The name of the group is Money Sellers Africa Forex Trading Academy, where we have over 13,000 different professional traders. So if you are not a member of this group yet, you want to go now, search Facebook for this group, Money Sellers Africa Forex Trading Academy. This is the link to get to the group and join us. You will be very glad to welcome you to the group. You may also want to join my Telegram channel. My Telegram channel is Money Sellers Africa, t.me/Money Sellers Africa. So it would be a great thing to welcome you to the group. At this point, you may be wondering, who is this person talking to us? She didn't even introduce herself. Okay, let me do proper introduction. My name is Gbemi. I'm a mom, a chartered accountant, financial consultant. I worked with the banking sector as an auditor for about 8 years before my resignation in 2015. I'm a currency trader and coach and founder of MS Africa Academy, also known as Money Sellers Africa. So you can call me currency trading consultant or teacher. Okay. Now, there's something I prefer, and that is results over hype. I don't hype. I tell you exactly the way it is. And everyone who knows me or anyone who have learned from me will tell you exactly that. Because what is important more than results? Results. And it's not just my own results. You won't see me, spraying results around on the group and pasting everywhere. No. But what is important is what you're actually doing, the kind of result you're getting. And that is why not just me, but even people who have taught have been able to come back to give great testimony on what they are learning here. This is one of them, Sam Smith. He said this. He said, I've been trading for the last year, but never felt I had a trader's edge that I kept hearing about in terms of consistent profits and an exact plan to work toward. Since joining the Money Sellers Africa, not only have my results changed, but also my mindset towards what I'm doing. Finally, he said, I can't thank you enough in sharing with me your knowledge and expertise in how to trade Forex, but more specifically, teaching me the mental aspect of trading. I just wanted to say that since trading your methods, my P and L is finally positive. Amazing, isn't it? This is someone who has been trading before he met me at all. But he kept blowing his account. But guess what he said? I just wanted to say, since trading your method, my P and L is finally positive. These are the kind of results I love hearing. This is kind of testimony I love hearing. So it's not just about me. Even people who learn from me. I also have other people like Abiru Afolaya who say, joining Money Sellers Academy has been a dream come true because I have been trained to analyze charts independently, and that alone has built up my confidence and also helped me financially. I have Isiaq Rashid, who said, I can boast anywhere that the trading skill I acquired from the Money Sellers Academy is top notch. I can now face the market with no fear of losing my capital. I now independently take my trades and minimize loss while making profit at the same time. If you notice what Isaac said here, he said minimize loss while making profit. So this is what I teach. I don't teach the get rich quick scheme. No, if that is what you are looking for, how to quickly put $100 and make $1,000, no, that's not what I'm teaching here. I teach the professional way of trading. I am not going to tell you that you're not going to make any loss at all. You make losses, but your profits will be bigger than your losses, so that at the end of the day, you can consistently go home with net profit. All right, net profit. That is our goal here today. I also have Shegun Adegoke, who said, I can now analyze trades on my own and I'm already making profitable trades. Now I'm in a path to financial freedom. And then there's this special student of mine who said this. He said, I just received a alert few minutes ago. In all honesty, this is the first time I'm making withdrawals since my 3 years of trading Forex. I have learned from some other coaches, yet I kept blowing my account. Thank you so much, Gbemi. You are the best Forex coach ever. Isn't that just beautiful? These are people who have been where I also used to be, now having better results from the market. Then I have this very special lady. I've been showing you different results from men. This is a woman. This lady, I think she has like 4 children. She just gave birth to twins in this 2020. She posted this in December 2020 on the group. She talked about, how she got to know me, how she took the course. And she said, thank you so much. I want you to know that you are my mentor. I desire to be like you someday. Now I can analyze chart professionally, place my trade, go to sleep and wake up with money in my account. I'm super grateful. Then she showed the chart, how she analyzed the chart. Then she took a trade, and then the trade continued her way. And look at some of the results she shared here. Now, this one really amazed me. If you look at her result, she's not putting 0.1, 1.0 lot size. No, she's using the least lot size. And she was able to make $26.9 here. 0.99. You know what that means? That means she has over 300 pips on this trade. Over 300 pips. This is someone who understands what she's doing. She doesn't just go into the market, make some $1, $2, and quickly run out of the market. She's wait, analyze the chart, and allow it to move really well. Okay. And if you also look at it, she doesn't just have GBP AUD in all of them. This is GBP JPY, GBP AUD, Euro USD, AUD NZD. Some people's trade, you're going to see the same thing, the same currency pair, and that is a sure way to blow your account. When all you do is you are taking the same currency pair and you're taking like 10 times, 5 times, 20 times, 30 times, you are on the sure way to blowing and losing all the money left in your account. But this person here knows how to trade professionally. She's following proper risk management in her trade. This is another lady. She said, I'm glad I made the decision to learn from the very best coach. I used to see Forex trading as rocket science, but Coach Gbemi showed me that I can do it and grow steadily in it. It's one of the best decisions I took this year. Okay. We have a lot, so let me not go too much into all what the students are saying. But I just want you to know this. You may be wondering now that how are these people doing it, that they are getting so much results, but I am not doing well, I keep blowing my account. Well, if you are not getting the results you desire, I want you to know that it is not your fault. You can get there. It is not your fault. Yes, sometimes it could be because of mistake you have made, but really it is not entirely your fault. And here is one of the reasons, because the gurus are hiding away this from you. They want you to believe that signals, copy trades are all you truly need. Well, you don't need signals or copy trades to succeed in trading. You can do it yourself. You can go into the chart, analyze the chart, make your trading decision, follow proper risk and money management, and make a lot of money for yourself. You can make profit consistently, build wealth, trading currency, even if you are entirely new to the market. So if you have not been told this before, know it today. If you are making losses in the market, it doesn't mean everyone is losing. Yes, they may lose, but there are people who still go home consistently with net profit. What are these people doing differently? That is what you should search for. Warren Buffett said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. And I know that you, my friend, you do not want to work continuously until you die, just the way I don't want to. We all desire to work to some level and be able to get to that level where our money begins to work for us. We want to get to that level where our money begins to multiply itself. And that is what you are going to be learning in this academy. You will learn how to not just make money, but also how to manage and multiply your money. Now, you may be wondering, Forex trading, the Forex market is the largest financial market in the world. Over $6 trillion transaction per day. Huge, isn't it? I was making an analysis at the time and I said the richest man in the world, he is all his entire net worth has to be multiplied for over 100 and something times before it can equate what the market does every single day. So the market is huge. But why the high rate of failure? In this kind of market where there are so many benefits, some people are doing well. Why is the failure rate high? The reason is you are trading the hard way. There are two ways to trading. There is a hard way, there is a easy way. But the way you are trading is the hard way, and I'll show you why. So which one would you like me to show you? The easy way or the hard way? Which would you like me to show you? Well, let's go on. I'm going to start by showing you the hard way because I started that way. Maybe I didn't tell you this story earlier. I started trading the very wrong and hard way. If you are looking for one person who has blown plenty accounts in this market, that would be me. I would put money in my account like on Monday like this. By Friday, have blown that account. Thursday sometimes. Or maybe sometimes I do very well, I hold it. Within 2 weeks, I've blown the account and I almost went bankrupt. Why was I trading this way? How was I trading that was making me lose so much money in the market? I was trading without plans. I didn't have any trading plan guiding me in everything I do at all. I just trade any way I saw it. Trading without risk management, no stop loss. Sometimes I will put stop loss, I will remove it. I'll be praying and begging God, hey God, please don't let it get to my stop loss. That is not the right way to trade. If you don't have stop loss in place, it only means you are telling yourself that you can control the market. And please let me tell you today, whatever you are going to learn here today, have it in your mind that you can never control this market. I just mentioned that it is the largest financial market in the whole world. The entire retail traders in the world are contributing only about 7% to this market. We still have the commercial banks, we have the central banks in the same market. So if the entirety of retail traders around the world, where we have some people trading millions of dollars, are only contributing 7% to this market. How about you that you are trading maybe $1,000, $200, $500? You think you can control the market? You will now take trades, you will not set stop loss? That is not the right way to trade. No tested trading strategy. I didn't have proper trading. So anything I see, some people will tell me, oh, this is Signal Group, I will join. This is Copy Trade, I will join. And then they will say, oh, do buy Euro USD, sell GBP NZD. And I will do without even understanding what did they analyze. And that I'm sure is how most of you are trading now. That is not the best way to trade. You should go into the chart yourself, analyze the market, know exactly why you are taking this trade. Signals of copy trading or bot trading, that's another hard way of trading. If you think, oh, bot trading is good, it isn't the best way to trade, okay? It is best for you to analyze the chart on your own. Signal trading, waiting for somebody to call copy for you. Sometimes it can be profitable. I'm not totally against all of those things, but they are the hard ways of trading. You need to learn to analyze the chart on your own and make your own decision. You must be accountable for every trade you take. That is when you are beginning to trade professionally. Improper trading psychology, that's another thing. When I was trading newly, I would take trade and I would be driving on the road, I'll be checking trade. There was a day I almost had an accident. At some point, my children come and were like, Mommy, please, this new business you're taking, you're doing, we don't like it. You're always angry, you're always unhappy. Because when I'm making losses and all my results are showing red like this, the way I will get angry. So it is not a good way of trading. My psychology was like zero. And a lot of traders today have wrong psychology of trading. Many people are watching the chart tick by tick as it is moving. When it is red and against them a little like this, they are afraid. You should be able to take trades. Leave the trade, let it run. You're not even checking your trade. By the time you get back, it has either hit your stop loss or your take profits. Now, this is what happened when you trade the hard way, from $10,000 to $0. Has it ever happened to you before? It has happened to me many times. It may not be exactly 10,000. There have been times I've lost $2,000, $5,000. Not the $5,000. I may grow it from $500 to $5,000 or $3,000, and I will lose it back, blow the whole account. I had moved $200 within less than 2 weeks to over $2,500, and I lost it within one day. Why? Because I was trading the wrong way, the hard way. And this is what happens to people. This is someone's account. Look at what this person is doing. This person is trading one currency pair, CHFJPY, all true. And guess what happened? This person lost $10,000 in this account, in this trade. Now, you've seen the hard way of trading. Are you ready for the easy way of trading? Would you like to learn how to easily extend your income trading currencies on your own, even if you're entirely new to the market? Are you ready? Now, imagine this. I need you to put on your thinking cap right now and imagine that you can make 5 profitable trades net per week at $500 each. Net, I mean, you know, there may be losses, there may be profit, but after removing profit from the loss, you will still have minimum of 5 profitable trades at $500 each, and that is $2,500 per week, and that is $10,000 per month. Now $10,000 now is over 4.7 million, because we are dollar is now like 475, 480 thereabout to dollar. Naira is that to dollar. Okay, so $10,000 is like 4.8. Imagine that, making that every single month from this market. And I'm not saying now, no, I'm not talking about getting rich quick. I'm not saying that you can trade $100 today and within a week you get to this level. No, I am saying that even if it takes you 2 years before you get to this level, or it takes you 3 years, will it make any difference in your standard of living? Maybe I didn't mention this earlier to you, but you see, I mentioned that I worked in the banking sector for about 8 years, right? I started working with the banking sector in 2008, and I got to qualify as a chartered accountant in 2009. I gave my result to them. It was filed away. There was no promotion. For the first 4 years, I was on the same level, earning the same salary. I started a family, I started growing family. I needed to contribute to the family, but I was earning the same salary for 4 good years. Now, after the first 4 years, I got a promotion and I remained on that position. When I got the promotion was in 2012. I remained there again till 2015 before I finally resigned. So I couldn't promote myself because I was working for someone. But you can consistently promote yourself if you trade professionally in this market. So the question is, are you ready to know how to trade professionally? Well, that's where we are going. At the Money Sellers Africa, we consistently deliver six-figure solutions to our students every single month. But then this is the disclaimer. Results are not typical. I'm going to show you specific strategies that we adopt to make consistent profit in trading. But these results are not typical. I do not guarantee that the strategies I'm going to show you will take you straight to 6 figures in trading. However, I am willing to show you what has been working for us for free. This is not a get rich quick scheme. It is not for dabblers. It is not for merely curious people. So again, how to extend your income trading currencies on your own, even if you're entirely new to the market. Number one, you want to use a trading plan. What does it mean to use a trading plan? A trading plan is like a template that guides every step you take in the market. You want to be sure that you have like a guide that tells you exactly what you want to do now and what you want to do next. Winston Churchill said, "He who fails to plan is planning to fail." And I know that you, my friend, do not plan to fail. That is why you are here today learning what I'm sharing with you here. So, what do you have on your trading plan? You need to have things like the currency pair you trade. Are you going to be trading during the volatile markets? Your entry strategies, your exit strategies, the trading strategy systems you're going to be using, your risk management, what are your trading goals? How much are you willing to risk per trade and in total? How long will you hold your trade? What times during the day are you going to trade? All of this should be in your trading plan, and that is what will guide you every step of the way. The second thing is proper risk management. See, a lot of coaches are going to train you and they will just take you straight into strategy. Analyze like this, take trade like this. No, that's what I'm showing you today. If you can apply everything you are going to learn here today into your trade, I tell you, your trading results can never be the same again. And I'm not saying in a negative way, but positively, you are going to see huge change in your trading results. So you want to learn proper risk management. If you do not apply proper risk management, it only means that you are saying that you have control of the market. And my friend, you cannot control the market. The market can move against anybody at any time. This is the largest financial market, like I said. No matter what amount you are trading, you cannot use your money to control the market. So because of this, you want to trade right. Look at what I showed you earlier. This person is trading JPY, you see HFJPY. And this trade was actually taken like 40 something times. And at the end of the day, this person lost this one and this one. At the end of the day, it lost like $10,000 was lost in this account. Okay? Like $10,000 was lost in this account at the end of that day. Why? We are taking one same currency pair. What that means is that if it goes a little bit against you, you're going to lose all that money. So risk management requires that you don't take multiple trade of the same pair at the same time. Because what that means is if you are risking, let's say 5% per trade, you take 20 trades, you've risked 100% of your account. If the market moves a little against you, you've lost all the money in your account. And that's how account is blown easily. Now, also under risk management, you want to ensure proper risk reward ratio. What does that mean? If your risk is $10, your reward must be at least $20. Okay? And why am I saying this? Because the market can go against you so more than one time. So if the market goes against you several times and it also goes your way sometimes, the number of times it goes your way multiplied by how much you're making will help you to have an edge over someone who doesn't mind how much he makes or loses. Now, you can make more profit in 3 out of 10 win with good risk management than someone with 7 out of 10 win without proper risk management. What does that mean? So now let's assume that for every trade you take, you are risking $100. Every time you make a loss, you are going to lose $100. And every time you make profit, you make $300 times 3. Now, you have only out of 10 trades, you've taken 10 trades, so you've only made profit 3 times. The remaining 7 times, you lose that trade. Do you know you can still go home with net profit? That's why at the beginning of this training, I say our goal is net profit, not that you are not going to make losses at all. So now let's say you make only 3 wins out of 10. The 3 times you win, you now have $300 multiplied by 3. That is $900. Now, the 7th time you lose, you are losing 100 times each time. $100 each time, and that is $700. $900 minus $700, you're still going home with $200. But now look at this person. This person is risking $14 every time he loses money. And every time he makes money, once he sees small profit like this, quickly take out the profit. Sometimes $5, $10, $3. Let's even assume on the average $10 every time he makes profits. Now he makes profit 7 times, that is $70. The remaining 3 times, he loses $40 each time. That's $120. $120 minus $70 that he makes in profit, that is $50 loss. So without proper risk management, no matter how good your strategy is, you are not going to make money. Now, the third lesson, profitable trading strategy. You have to find a strategy that is profitable. These are some of the strategies that I use in the market. I do more of technical analysis and I analyze the charts and I make my trading decision. Yes, I also look at the news sometimes. I try to have an idea of the bigger picture by using the news, but my decisions are based on what I can see on my chart. Okay, so these are some of the trade. If you look at this one, I use SRAK strategy, one of the strategies that I trade with. And that is why you see this, there was an area here. I did not enter here. I entered, you see where the arrow pointed? You may be wondering, why did she not enter here? Because I have trading rules. There's a reason why I won't enter here until I see something like this before I enter. And when I entered here, it still played around a bit. Guess what? It later moved out and it got to my take profit. I also have this one called the quarter rectangle strategy. This quarter rectangle strategy, I entered somewhere around here and I took my profits all the way up here. That's over 600 pips within 7 days. By the way, I do more of swing trading than day or short-term trading. I still do day trading and I even have a course on day trading, but I do mainly swing trading. Okay, profitable trading strategy. This is another one. This is called the double triangle strategy. I did an analysis here. I explained that I'm going to do a buy if it breaks and closes somewhere there and see what happens. I was able to see that there was a break somewhere around there after that analysis, and I took my first profit here, took my second profit here. So these are profitable trading strategies. There are more of them that we trade with that we have on our academy. Now, once you have a strategy that is profitable, you apply proper plan, proper risk management. You also want to ensure that these strategies that you have, you need to analyze it and know that it is profitable. Test the strategy before you start using it. That's why we have demo accounts. So you want to use demo account to test your strategies to be sure that they are profitable. Okay? And as a bonus lesson, you also want to ensure proper trading psychology. All right? So these are some of the lessons that will help you to trade profitably in this market. So imagine again that you can get to a level where you can make 5 profitable trades net per week at $500 each. And that is $10,000 per month. Is anything going to change in your standard of living? Would you like to get to this level? That is why I always say that when you expand your awareness, you will have your whole life expanded. And I say congratulations to you today because what you are doing right now is expanding your awareness. You are learning more. And there's this question I ask people. My mentor usually tell me that the rule of money changed in 1971. And he asked me, what is the new rule of money? And I kept cracking my brain. Rule of money, rule of money. Well, the new rule of money is knowledge. You see, if there's anything I am doing differently, if there's a way I am making money in the Forex market that you're finding difficult right now, it is simply because of one thing, knowledge. There's something I know that you don't know. And what can you do? You just need to acquire that knowledge. Look at the richest man in the world today, Elon Musk. Last year, he was somewhere around 30 something billion dollar. But he moved from that to over 140 billion within few months. As at the end of 2020, he was able to come out as the richest man in the world, somebody who was far behind before. What does that tell us? There's something he knows that all of us don't know. And that is why he was able to get to that level where he is today. There's something he's doing differently. So for you to get there, what do you need to do? Acquire the knowledge. Go and know. Know what it takes to get to that level. This is why I am welcoming you to the Money Sellers Academy by MS Africa Academy. where you can acquire all the knowledge you need for you to achieve the level you truly desire as a trader. At the Money Sellers Africa, we have education that covers basic through intermediate and advanced level with tested and proven profitable strategies, rule-based systematic trading styles, trading plans, money management. We give you access to Forex library. You get ebooks free. You also have support. You don't need prior Forex or financial education before you can trade. We teach you how to combine your day job or business with trading. We also help you choose the right broker to trade with. Welcome to the Forexversity by MS Africa Academy. At the Forexversity, we have full training program for both day and swing traders. What that means is if you're a short-term trader, you prefer day trading, intraday trading, or you like long-term trade, swing trader. Maybe you work in the office, you are busy during the day, you just want to take a trade and let it run. It covers for everything. It's a full online self-paced video courses that covers from basic to intermediate and advanced level of trading. And as a bonus, you get our professional level course. Now, what are the things you're going to learn on this basic through advanced level? If you come to the site, you click on the curriculum, it's going to bring you to this site, where you can learn about your instructor. You can learn more about me from there. You can learn about this course, and then you can get to the curriculum and you see it from introduction. You see the basic level. On the basic level, you may be seeing basic Forex course one. You don't know what you're learning from there until you get into the course. But the introductory video you would see out in front before you click on this will show you exactly what you will learn under all of this, where you don't have the title of the lessons. And then you will learn how to trade on Android and iPhone. On the intermediate level, you will learn risk management, position and time management, forex trading plan, how to determine your kind of trader, so that you will know, am I a day trader? Am I supposed to be a day trader based on my personality? Am I supposed to be uh, a swing trader, position trader? You don't just follow the crowd. You need to know exactly the way you should be trading. Then on the advanced level, you have access to all of these tested, proven, and profitable trading strategies. Okay, and then I mentioned also that as a bonus to being a part of the course, you are also going to have access to the professional level. Now, on that professional level course, what you're going to be learning are what I shared with you today: trading plan, risk and money management, optimizing your strategy for consistent profit, and trading psychology. Amazing, isn't it? Now, aside from all this, you're also going to have community support where you'll be added to our WhatsApp group where we have different professional traders waiting for you to ready to answer your questions and to guide you as you trade. And aside from that, you will also have access to trade directly with me where we will be added to my Forex growth stream where you get access to the different trades that I take. Okay, so these are some of the trades I take, and this is what we say on the group. You see this trade as it is going and giving us enough profit. So you will have access to that at no extra cost other than when you join us on the Forexversity. And for you to be a part of this one, especially to trade directly with me, the only extra requirement may be for you to use my broker. Okay, so that's all. So how much are you willing to pay to access all of this, to have access to all of this? How much are you willing to pay? Now, before I show you what we charge for this, let me quickly show you what some other um, online academy are charging. I was with IM Academy for over 2 years, and I paid this I. So for you to be in the Elite Academy, you're going to be paying for enrollment over $320. If you are paying $320 based on, let's even say that's 322, right? So let's say we are even using 470. That's over 150 naira in naira. Okay, and the dollar is even increasing every time, and then every single month you have to pay 274. If you are paying 274, or that's about $275. If you are paying that every month, that is over 130,000 naira every single month after paying this. Now, aside from IM Academy, we also have trading with Venus. Let's even say IM Academy is a company, a big company. Okay, we have, this is also a lady, an individual, and this is the course that looks a little bit not even as full as what you are going to learn on the Forexversity, or it looks a bit close to the Forexversity, and you are going to register with $497. You may, if you view the course, you will see that it is not in any way close to what you are going to be learning on the Forexversity. So this is everything you will learn on that course. Okay, so that is basically that. So now, like I asked, how much will you be willing to pay to access all that I just showed you on the Forexversity? Well, the Forexversity Basic to Advanced Level course is valid at $1,500, and the bonus professional course is valid at $600. The community support is valid as invaluable. Trading team access is invaluable, and the total value is valued at $2,100. That is over 900,000 naira. But I'm not going to charge you that. So not to worry, relax. I'm not going to charge you that. Okay? So one-time payments, no compulsory monthly subscription. And guess what? There's one big guarantee I'm going to give you, and that is no blown account. If you follow everything we teach you here, you follow all the trading rules, especially risk management and strategies that we teach you on the Forexversity, and trade the right size, yet you blow your account as a result of what we teach you on the course, then we'll give you up to 100% training refund in 90 days. Whatever you pay on the training, we will refund you if you blow your account within this period. Okay? So today, what am I charging you? No, I'm not going to charge you the $2,100. I'm charging you only $112, and that is 49,990. Okay, about 50,000, 99,990, and this is the account number to pay with to, and you can learn more about it on our site moneysellersafrica.com/forexversity. And guess what again? If you are paying immediately for immediate action takers, you will get it not at the 49,990, but an extra discount of 5,000 naira, and it should be that's $99 only, or 44,990. This is the account number to pay with, or you can go to this site paystack.com/pay/FXversity offer. Okay, for you to make the payments. Now you may have some questions regarding this course. For how long will I have access to the course? You will have access to the course for over a year. When our class is starting, they are self-paced courses. Access at your own time and pace. How often do I pay subscription? It is one-time payment, no monthly subscription required. When will I access my course? Immediately after confirmation of your payment. Can I take coaching classes in addition to this course? Yes, you can. So if you want extra mentorship and coaching aside from this course, you can take it in addition to this. Okay, and if you are taking that, it will be at an extra cost of 40,000 naira, or $89 only. So if you are taking action immediately, that is going to cost you a total of 84,990. Okay, but I tell you that everything you are learning on the academy is good enough to cover you. So if you are taking the course, that takes you, that's for now, if you are an immediate action taker, you are paying 44,990 to this bank account, Access Bank PLC 0041970 908. Okay, and Finally, thank you so much for being a part of this class. If you make payments for the class, please send evidence of payment to gbemimsa@gmail.com or to me on WhatsApp on this number +234 80288 37522. Thank you and have a good day.